Welcome to English Rush. Finger heart. The girl made a finger heart to thank her mother. Flip. The man flicked the snooker ball gently. Shrug. He shrugged his shoulders and said, "I have no idea." Stop. He raised his hand to stop the children from running. Good luck. She crossed her fingers tightly, hoping her team would win. Clenched fist. With clenched fists, they cheered for their victory. Snap. She snapped her fingers to the beat of the music. Fist bump. He gave his friend a fist bump to celebrate winning the game. Raised hand. All the students raised their hands to answer the teacher's question. Knock. He knocked gently, waiting for someone to answer. Hand heart. She made a hand heart to thank her friend for helping her. High five. He gave a high five to appreciate his grandchild. Handshake. They greeted each other with a warm handshake. Call me. The girl made a call me sign to remind her friend to call her later. OK sign. The little girl gave an OK sign because she enjoyed her snack. Clap. Everyone clapped for her. Thumbs up. She gave a thumbs up to encourage her teammate. Thumbs down. Everyone gave a thumbs down to show their dislike. Point down. She pointed down at the new shoes she was wearing. Point up. She pointed up to the sign on the wall.